my lovely people, welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen. I am Joy, and today's video is not usual. Yes, it's not usual. I'm going to unbox my ring light I've been waiting for. I ordered it from Amazon and I received it, and I would like you to join me to unbox this ring light as well as the setup. So if you want to know how it goes, just join me and enjoy this very video, okay? So let's open up the carton. Let's see what is inside. Wow, this is the ring light I've been waiting for. Okay, now let's open it. As you can see, here is the carton. So here is written 18 inches selfie ring light with tripod stand. So from the content it states 3 colors lightning mode, electrodeless dimming, 180 degrees adjustable, and here states convenient to carry. It has Bluetooth self timer, USB power supply. Let's see the back of the carton. Okay, here states package included. So all the things that are inside the carton is listed here. So let's go ahead and open the carton. Wow, see the bag. Wow, first of all, I like the packaging. Here is the tripod in a bag. Wow, so let's open the tripod. I just like the thickness of the iron. I believe it is strong. Yeah, I believe it is strong. And here you can extend it as long as you want. It has about 4 extensions. Wow, I like it. Guys, this is exactly what I'm looking for. And not only that, it is affordable. Affordable. I'm going to put the link at the description box below for anyone that is interested. Okay, this is exactly what I am expecting. Oh, look at the remote control. You can be able to dim the light the way you want it. Here is the manual for setting it up. It's in different languages. Yeah, if you want to set it up, you can take the instructions and set it up. Yeah. Wow, I'm so happy, guys. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Here it has remote control, it has the power supply with the cable. So let's see the back. It has a lot of buttons and functions at the back. So we are going to see how it works. Let's set it up. Here we have the timer. You can use it to pause your camera. It's like you have to install an app from Google in order to use this. So there is the mobile phone handler, something you can use to fix your mobile phone. Wow, I like, in short, I'm impressed. Yes, I'm impressed. So here are the holes where you can fix the camera. You can fix the camera at the middle or your mobile phone at the middle. With this, just fix it like so. Make it strong. You can bend it. You can turn it to any direction. It has two. You can use two mobile phones to make your coverage, or two cameras to make your coverage. So here is the power supply. At the back of the ring light, we have some of the functions. Here we have a hole where you can fix the power supply or adapter, whatever you might call it. And here is the USB for charging your phone. Very convenient, eh? So here is the power. You can on it and off it. So let me fix it and see whether it works. First of all, I'm going to fix in the tripod. Oh guys, I'm very impressed with this, and I believe it will give me the satisfaction that I need. Yes, and to set it up is very simple to set up. Guys, have you subscribed? Subscription is free. Don't forget to press the notification bells and select all so that you'll be aware anytime I upload a new video. Like and share. And the tripod, you can extend it as higher as you want. So let me plug it in. Wow, the light is very nice, very sharp. So here the remote control cannot work because I realized that it did not come with battery. So I have to fill it up with batteries, small batteries. So let me fix it. Good. Let's see how it works with the remote control. I want to figure out where I can press. I want to figure it out, how I'm going to press it and what I'm going to... Wow, now I got it. I got it. So at the center here, where you see the sign for light, bulb light, is where you can change the color of the light. You can change it to this color. Oh, this is cool. Exactly what I'm looking for. Yes. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Good, I like it. Oh, I'm so excited. Using remote to control the lights. Wow, this is good. So if you want to use camera, you can still make use of this This is for camera. You can fix it at the middle, the same way I fixed the one for mobile phone. So you can fix your camera as well. So guys, tell me what you think about this ring light at the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Till next time, remain blessed. Thank you all and stay safe. Bye.